Origin O60 dehumidifier, suitable for large areas 7,000 to 8,000 cubic feet. Please open the flap before you start using it. You can turn the machine on by pressing on the power key. You can adjust the fan speed at low, medium or high using the speed key. You can also switch on or switch off the dry mode using the dry key, the ionizer mode using the anion key, and you can also turn on or off the comfort mode using the comfort key. The dry mode is for areas where the humidity percentage is very high, so the dry mode reduces humidity percentage in those areas. The anion mode is for air purification. It releases negative ions into the atmosphere that eliminate the harmful elements in the air. And the comfort mode is in case you want the dehumidifier to make less noise. You can adjust the humidity as per your requirement using the humidity key. When you press it, you can see on the display that the humidity is being set. The most ideal level of humidity for human comfort is anywhere between 45% to 55% RH. You can also switch on the timer using the timer key. When you press the timer key, you can see on the display that the timer is being set in hours. It can go up to 24 hours. You can easily carry it around using the ledge on the side. The water tank is right here. You can remove it simply like this once the water has been accumulated and put it back after disposing the water. Please reach out to us for any questions or queries. Thank you.